What types of employment qualify under OPT? So the reason this is really important to understand is because if you obtain any of the types of employment which we're going to discuss in this video, you can report in CVIS and you can stop that 90-day unemployment clock that terrifies so many F1 students from ticking. So let's go through the various types of employment that are accepted by the government. So first we have your classic employment, right? The employer-employee relationship where you sign an employment contract and you go on payroll. Now, one thing you should know about this, you can be employed full-time or part-time and both work as long as when you're employed part-time, you work at least 20 hours a week. If you meet that, both of these types of employment would stop the unemployment clock from ticking. In addition, keep in mind with part-time work, you can have multiple employers. You do not have to have just one employer. This is something many students don't know. Pay attention to that because this could also help you satisfy the requirement. In addition, you can be an independent contractor, what's known as 1099. That's the tax form you receive at the end of the year in the United States. And that is fine. Working as an independent contractor allows you to stop the unemployment clock from ticking as well. In addition, you can be an intern, both paid and unpaid according to the rules. However, I always advise students to be careful with unpaid internships because a lot of state labor laws don't really allow them. You have to be paid, there's minimum wages. So just make sure that the job you're accepting as an intern is, in compliance with all the rules. But from an immigration standpoint, from the OPT rules perspective, both paid and unpaid internships work. Also, you can volunteer. That's another option. So as long as with all of these jobs, you're meeting the 20 hours a week requirement, internships, volunteering would also work. And finally, you can be self-employed. We've shot many videos about this. You can find them in the description. On OPT, you can start your own business. And if you do that, that will stop the 90-day clock from ticking as well. So the bottom line from this video, the main takeaway is don't only think of employment as your standard W-2 full-time employment for a company, right? There's several options, and the idea of the OPT program is for you to gain practical experience, and that is why there's more avenues, because the government understands that practical experience doesn't always mean working full-time for a company. I hope you found this video helpful.